This is the exterior mirror of your car. You have one for the right hand side and another one for the left hand side. And the buttons for controlling the mirror are located on the master control panel. On the right hand side door card, the front door card. Now you have a joystick here that controls the movement of the mirror inside. You can see the mirror moving up and down and left and right. And you have a button that closes both the mirrors. Press it and the mirrors fold themselves inside. Press it once again and the mirrors unfold. And this knob here, this is for controlling which mirror do you want to adjust. Now this one is presently moved to the right side, so it controls the right hand side mirror. Similarly, if you move this knob to the left side, it adjusts the left hand side mirror. There you go. Now you need to ensure that the mirrors are adjusted in such a way that you get maximum field of view with minimal blind spots. That is, there are some areas, for instance, you can see that the area beyond that pillar right there, that is not getting covered in the mirror here. You can only see the small hump there. So the pillar and the other things are in the blind spot of the mirror. So while driving, you need to ensure that the blind spot is minimized, so you get maximum coverage and you can see the vehicles that are tailing you. Similarly, on the other side, you need to ensure that your mirror is adjusted in such a way that you get maximum coverage. Now, how do we do that? To ensure that, what you need to do is adjust the mirror in such a way that your car's front driver door handle is partly visible in the mirror at the bottom left corner, that is right here, and you are able to see a part of the body on the car when you're sitting in the driver's seat. Now I am able to see part of the driver's side door handle and the body, while I can also see the hump here at the road at the rear. So this is as far as maximum coverage is concerned. But if I take the view of the body of the car out of this field of vision, I'm not able to gauge how closely is a vehicle tailing me. So I want to keep some part of the body inside the mirror. So this is what I always set my mirror to. Similarly, on this side, I can see part of the body of the car and the front co-driver door handle at the bottom right corner. And I can also see a fair share of the road getting covered. So this will minimize all the blind spot. And this is exactly how you must adjust your mirrors in the car. Another good feature is the mirrors automatically unfold upon unlocking the car, and they fold when you lock the car using the key fob. Now the car is presently locked. Let me unlock it. There you go. The mirrors unfold itself, and when I press the lock button, the mirrors fold itself. That's a good feature.